Hello everyone, we got a 2010 Ford Escape here and the back light is broke. So we are going to replace that really quick. We got us a brand new light housing from Parts Geek. It was $45. Check that out. Alright, there we go right there. To remove the old one is really simple. You open up the back, the hatchback, take out, there's two screws right here. Take those out and it just pops out. It looks like that on the inside, where the lights go into it, and it's got two little pins that snap into those little holes right there. And you just twist the light socket and out it comes. Same with both of them. Let's open up the new one. Alright, there we go. Let's go ahead. Alright, it's got the two pins right there and the two holes right there. First we'll go ahead and put the light sockets in, and they just go in or fit right in the hole, and you twist them and they snap right in. Alright, they're in. We'll go ahead and line this up. Alright, now we'll put the screws back in. Alright, nice solid fit. And I'm going to go turn on the blinkers and make sure it works. It's up and running. I'll turn on the headlights and make sure the tail light's working. There we go. Alright, everything is working, so project is done. That's like a 5-minute project. So anyway, I got that from Parts Geek. It fit right in there, brand new one. The old one was all broken. Somebody must have backed into it or something, or whoever was driving this vehicle backed into something they shouldn't have. Anyway, we'll never know. But it's that easy to replace those. Y'all have a good one. Thanks for watching.